morning, children. Welcome to Max online class. Watch the video carefully. Chapter 2 Introduction to Algebra. In previous session, we saw variables, constant, and how to write simple algebraic expressions. Now we will discuss exercise problems. Exercise 2.1. First one, fill in the blanks. The letters A, B, C, X, Y, Z are used to represent variables. A quantity that takes dash values is called variable. Any values is called variables. If there are 5 students in a bench, then the number of students in n bench is 5 into n. Here, what is variable? 5 is a constant. Obviously, n is a variable. Say true or false. See the diagram. The length of the part B in the pencil is A minus 6. So, total length is A. Total length is 6 centimeter. Part A is A, remaining part what? So what is the answer? Part B is 6 minus A, but it is written wrongly, A minus 6. So what is the answer? False. The cost of an apple is X, cost of an banana is 5, total cost X plus 5. True. If there are 11 players in a team, then there will be 11 plus Q players in Q team. That is false. Draw the next two patterns and complete the table. For first pattern, how many squares are there? 1 square. See the first column. How many circle? Only one circle. How many triangle? 2 triangle. Next, see second column. See the second diagram. How many squares are there? 2 squares are there. How many circles are there? 2 circles are there. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. See the third diagram. How many squares are there? 3. How many circles? 3. How many triangles? 6. Next, fourth pattern. So we need 4 square, 4 circle, triangle, 4 into 2, 8. Fifth pattern. How many squares? 5. How many circles? 5. How many triangles? 5 into 2, 10. This is the pattern. You take your rough notebook, draw the pattern and write the answer in your rough notebook. Next, use a variable to write the rule which gives the number of ice candy stick required to make the following pattern. For C, how many ice sticks we need? 1, 2, 3. We need how many ice sticks? 3 ice sticks. For making M, how many ice sticks we need? 5 ice sticks we need. Next, a teacher forms group of 5 students in a class. How many students will be there in P groups? For one group, 5 students. For P group, P into 5. For one group, how many students? 5. But 2 group means 2 into 5, 10 students. 3 group means 3 into 5. 4 group means 4 into 5. 5 group means 5 into 5. P group means P into 5. That is the answer. Next, sixth one. Arivalagan is 30 years younger than his father. Write Arivalagan age in terms of father age. Arivalagan is 30 years younger than his father. So father age we can take it as x. Arivalagan age we can take it as 30. So what is the expression? X minus 30. If u is an even number, how would you represent the next even number? So u is an even number. Next even number u plus 2. Next even number plus 2. So even number increasing by 2 to 2. So u plus 2. Next, what is the previous even number? Previous even number means we have to subtract u minus 2. So that is the answer. So what is next even number? U plus 2. Next means even number. If 2 is a even number, what is next even number? 4. 2 plus 2, 4. So increasing by 2. So u is an even number means we can write it as u plus 2. Previous even number. Previous even number means we have to subtract 2. U minus